Good afternoon. Welcome to our afternoon update. It's March the 31st. We had quite a few things happen today with exports coming out this morning and quarterly grain stocks at 11 o'clock, and also the planning intentions coming out at 11 o'clock also. So we're going to first go to these reports and look at the summary of them, and then we'll get into where the market's closed and where the outside markets are. Quarterly stocks. They expected the quarterly stocks for corn to be 7.8. It came out at 7.8. Well, they expected 7.822. It came out at 7.81. Soybeans, they expected the quarterly stocks to be 1.569. It came out at 1.53. Looking at wheat, they expected 1.356. It came out at 1.37. I'm going to just read what the analyst comments are about this. For grain stocks, they're saying that for corn and soybeans, the report was neutral. For wheat, the report was slightly bearish. Looking at prospective plantings, the number they were expecting in corn was 90 million. It came out at 93.6 million acres. That was probably the surprise of these numbers. The bean number, they expected 82.9. It came out at 82.24. The all wheat number, they expected 51.7 million acres. It came out at 49.6. The breakdown for analysts looks like this. For corn, for new crop corn, it was bearish. For new crop soybeans, it was neutral. And for new crop wheat, it was bullish. Looking over at cotton, they expected anywhere from 9 million to 9.6 million acres. It came out in the middle at 9.347. The market immediately sold off, got down about 60 on the day in May, and then turned back up. And we'll give you in just a second where that closed. A pretty impressive day for cotton, though. Looking over, we've got cotton closed in May cotton up 76. It closed at 58.43 with a high of 58.59. Right after the report at 11 o'clock, this market got down to 57.01. So it had a full range of 158 points, an 158-point swing in the market. And so, again, very impressive for that. I'll let you know it looks like July cotton's going to be up about 55 and December cotton's going to be up about 28. Going now to soybeans, they closed up 2 at 9.11. They saw a low of 8.96 and a high of 9.14. That was an 18-cent range we saw in soybeans. Corn, and this is, again, the surprise because of the acreage number. Corn was down 16 cents at 3.51 with a high of 3.67 and a quarter and a low of 3.47 and a half. Corn, that's usually one of the quieter markets, had a full 20-cent range today from low to high. Wheat headed the other direction. Wheat was up 9 and a quarter at 4.73 and a quarter with a high of 4.68 and three quarters and a low of 4.55 and a quarter for a 13-cent range. Let's look over now at crude oil. Crude oil is up 33 cents a barrel. That's in the May crude at 38.65. The dollar is down 26. Gold and silver are up. Gold's up 5, silver's up 23, and then we've got the Dow Jones currently down 10.6. So again, very active day, but on balance, positive for cotton, positive for soybeans, positive for wheat, and negative for corn. Hope you have a good evening, and we'll talk to you tomorrow. Thank you.